What I ordered is a Keychron K1 V4. So anyways, Keychron makes some really affordable mechanical keyboards, and most importantly, they are selling low-profile mechanical keyboards. I think this one has a Gateron Red switch. Keychron, yeah. Shit, that's a lot of padding and everything. Yeah, like this is not in any way sponsored. I just bought this with my own money. It was, the keyboard itself is like 69 bucks. This is the box. Keychron K1. By the way, yeah, this should work with both Mac and Windows. You should have both keycaps. No, you know, 469 keyboard, this is just... Wow, I mean, let's see. All right, show yourself, show your beauty. Yeah, it doesn't have a numpad. I mean, this one has a numpad, but I don't need it. All right, this is looking pretty. Wow, I've never had such a premium unboxing experience for such a cheap product. 69 bucks, guys. All right, some real nice braided USB-C cable. Let's see how long it is. By the way, the keyboard is wireless, actually. I don't know if I'll be using it wireless because I already recharged my mouse, and I don't know if I like recharging my keyboard also. But also, it should last for, well, days without charging. So it will probably last just as long as my Logitech G Pro wireless, I think. So we have the Windows keys here. This is the escape. Okay, we have the key removal tool. Wow. Wait, let's get the keyboard. There's some... Ooh, nobody's gonna read that anyways, right? Let's just put that aside. Ooh. So the entire keyboard is actually aluminum. It is aluminum housing. Aluminum housing. Oh, baby. Bask in the beauty. Ooh, this is clean, my man. This is clean. Look at that a little closer like that. It's minimal. No bullshit. Thin. Super thin. Oh, wow. I'm going to love this. I'm going to love this. So yeah, right now it has the Mac keys. You know, it has the command button right here. Wait. Let me show you the sound difference. Let's compare the sound here. Let me just disable my noise gate so you actually hear the full sound here. So, this is my Razer Black Widow Chroma. I don't know what edition that is, but Razer green switches. And my microphone is right in front of my mouth now, so like that's what you're hearing on stream when I'm playing. And this is the new one. Oh yeah. Oh baby, yes, that's definitely the sound I prefer. It's gonna take a minute to get used to. This is the first time I'm using linear switch. You know, the linear, oh, it has a short travel, you know, so it has like half the key travel that this one has. So I have to really push hard. Also, this doesn't have RGB. I bought a version with just white backlighting because I just honestly don't care about RGB. Wait, okay, now I'm gonna move the mic above the keyboards. So I can actually hear the difference here. Oh, baby. This is... Oh, I'm gonna like this. Oh, I'm gonna like this. So, well, first things first is that I have to replace the keycaps. But wow, anyways, I have to say that this thing is really built beautifully. So yeah, it's like very minimal. It's all aluminum. The sides are plastic, but I wasn't even able to tell at first. Definitely feels very solid, just like no flex or anything, but hey, why would you even test your keyboard for that if it's lying on the top of a desk? When I tap it, it feels a little hollow, so maybe if you open the casing, you can still fill it with some kind of sound dampener, so it gets even a little quieter. Anyways, I wanted to replace the keycaps because this has Mac keycaps on it. You know, you got that option and command, and who cares about that? I don't care about option command. No, not on my watch. No Mac keyboards over here. Oh, I love it. It's so tiny. Look at how much smaller it is. I was always pissed about the amount of space my keyboard is taking up. And also, I'm actually thinking I might use this in wireless. We'll see. We will see. Okay, let's just pray that I do not break a keycap. You know, I'm a bit of an idiot, so I'd rather not. So this is where the Alt is supposed to be instead of the command. Also, yeah, you have switches up here where you switch between Windows and Mac. Switches feel nice, not too flimsy. Okay, so let's try to remove the command key here. Okay, just popped off. By the way, yeah, so this is the switch itself. This is the switch itself. It's the Gateron Red. It's a low profile, so yeah, if you don't slap it super hard, the switch itself is practically silent. Hold on. You can hear a little bit of that scratch. So if you would lube this, and I probably will lube the switches, there's a little bit of that scratch. You hear that? So I will probably try to get rid of it. I will try to lube it, but I have not ordered any kind of lube yet. By the way, the keycaps look like this. So they have a little curve to them. They're not completely flat, which I like. I'm not a huge fan of Mac keyboards or anything like that. Yeah, so the keycaps, they like perfectly fit into the switch. I don't think you can replace the switches, or I don't think you can even get custom keycaps. They're definitely ABS plastic, not the other one. This is the cheaper, but honestly, I don't care. Is it in? I think it's in. So anyways, I'm gonna switch to cable. Gonna switch to Windows layout. And also I think I should switch the Windows and function keys. Wait, let me see. No, command and no, the function key is on the right here. On my Razer, they're actually switched. My function key is okay. Let's ignore that for now. I'm going to unplug the Razer now. Connect it. Let's plug it in. So Razer goes out. Whoa, that is bright. That is bright. Okay, it shines through. Just if you're wondering, it does shine through the keycaps. Does my mouse work? Yeah, my mouse works. So, off goes the Razer. And, oh, I'm gonna love this. Oh, I'm gonna get so used to this. Anyway, so this is, oh, these are the different light modes. It doesn't have an app. This is no app or nothing or anything like that. It just has a bunch of presets. I'm not a huge fan of anything like this. I'm just gonna, you know, it's nice for the showcase if you want to show it off. Yeah. I guess I just want to check if all my lights are shining, if everything's working. And it seems to be. Like, no LEDs are dead. That's something that I'm always concerned about, that some of the LEDs are just gonna die. Oh yeah, there's your light show right there. But that's not what I paid for. Oh, there's your brightness. Oh wait, this is the brightness for. Oh no, these are, oh, FN. Oh, that's for the brightness of your screen. This is for the brightness of the keyboard. Yeah, I can turn it off. Okay, so this is the minimal brightness. What's the best typing speed test? Okay, I think this one is pretty popular. It's quite nice and quiet. It's pretty. I just love how small it is. I just love how tiny and just clean, I guess. Clean is the word. You know, it has that, like, hovering style. It's like, it's gonna be super easy to clean. And that was also something that I was considering. Because, you know, keyboards get very messy. And that razor is impossible to clean. I would have to take it all apart. This, you just blow it with a vacuum and it's clean because you can get right on the board, you know? Wait, you're not seeing that. Let me restart. I already fucked up. Big time. Caffeine helps to temporarily decrease the headache. Temporarily, though. I got checked my teeth 2 days ago and nothing as well. So maybe eyes. Try, yeah, eyes, ears. Okay, let's go. Oh, fuck. Fucked up. I'm getting used to it. Okay, it's a new...
They came from Brazil. $108 words per minute. 108. I was able to hit 135 on average on Razer. So it's about getting used to it. Just bummed about the left alt. I have no idea why that is smaller. I feel like it's some kind of mismatch. I'm gonna need, yeah, eventually I'm gonna require new keyboard, new keycaps. Or maybe a completely new keyboard. Yeah, anyways, I will also need to try if this keyboard runs on wireless fine. And if I can notice any kind of latency, that's a no-go in the case, but it's probably not gonna mind. A lot of reviews were complaining about the wobble of the keyboard, of the keycaps themselves, and honestly, it's nothing. It looks bad on videos, but wait. I'm trying to hear for it. Hear if there's any audible. I mean, a little bit if you like slide over the keyboard. But the individual keycaps. I mean, this is better. This is better than my Razer. Still better than what I had before. By the way, the Razer is like it's like $150 keyboard. This is half the price. So worth the money, guys. So if you would like my short review on the keyboard, I'm obviously not able to give you a full review yet, but my first impression of this is like, it's really good. If you're looking for a cheap mechanical keyboard, and if you want something like I do, something that's quiet and low profile, for that fast response, for $69, dude, I don't know if you can get anything better.